I have this Tamarillo. It was very frost damage, so cut the leaves off just to see how it look. Second branch same, but the stem still green, and there is a lot of buds here. So I'm thinking cut it down very low. Very low. The plan is to dig it out to keep it indoors during the winter. It cannot handle Moscow climate in the winter. Got some nice roots. Maybe I can do bonsai from this. But the leaves are massive. Very, 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 very big. So I don't know. Maybe I can reduce the... I have decided that I will cut it. And I will do it now. Where? Oh. There's buds even down here. So maybe I can do it real short, but I think for dieback, I think here, and maybe I do cuttings. I don't know. I have enough trees at home. I don't even know where to place all. So small, okay. Hallelujah. Bless my luck, everything. Yeah. Whoa, easy. Now it's time to dig it up. It's now planted. Some nice roots starting to show. Maybe I need to sort them out. If I bonsai it. Right now it's just going to be... I'm trying to get fruit from it. I've had it for 2 years. This is first summer outside. So now back in winter, and hopefully I can plant it spring outside again. Hopefully produce fruits. And then after that maybe we do bonsai.